Welcome to a quick guide on using Tochie, your personal voice aid. This video assumes you've been successful in setting up your Tochie device and have it connected to Wi-Fi. In this video, I will show you how to manage already recorded message reminders. Let's start with previewing previously recorded reminders. Go to the Messages tab. A list of the recorded messages that have been saved will be displayed. Tap the play icon on the right. Now tap Preview. You will hear the recording of the message. To change the ringtone of the previously recorded reminders, do the following. Go to the Messages tab. A list of all the recorded messages will be displayed. Tap the music notes icon on the left. Now pick the new ringtone. Tap the back arrow on the top left. To rename a previously recorded reminder, do as follows. Go to the Messages tab. A list of your recorded messages will be displayed. Swipe left the message you would like to rename. Tap on the Edit icon. And now go ahead and rename your message and save. Do the following to delete a recorded message. Go to the Messages tab. A list of all the recorded messages will be displayed. Swipe left the message you would like to delete. Tap the trash can icon. Tapping on the trash can will delete the message and its related schedule. Confirm if you want to delete the message and its related schedule.